I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to drink more water because y'all already know how to take care of your skin. Y'all know how to make your skin look good, what works for it. But I'm here to tell you some of the stuff you may have never heard before, and you may be making mistakes in your routine. If you don't have a routine and you don't know what you're doing, then just literally watch the whole video. Analyze it, take notes. And for those of you whose products work for your skin, I'm just gonna teach you how to use the things you already own, but use them smarter for better results. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog barking, but it's going through the vent and it's like really loud. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm trying to get through 10 mistakes. 10 skincare mistakes that you're probably making. Just a little side note, my skin is so bad in the winter, even like spring. Right until it gets some like tanning on it in summer, it looks like shit. But I've actually been able to like maintain it okay this spring, winter. Like I have some pimples, but usually I break out a lot. Honestly, let's just get into the video. First things first, you guys, after you hear this, I feel like some of you will be like, are you serious right now? I know a lot of you love using cotton pads, love putting your toner on it just to like get the excess makeup off your face or whatnot. Basically what cleansing couldn't do. And it just gives you that extra feeling of like cleanness, you know? You could see all the dirt on the cotton pad so you know you got everything. If you have sensitive skin in general, my skin has never reacted badly to cotton pads, but if you have sensitive skin, they may irritate it and you may not even know. Like a week into using them, you could just start to break out and not know why. Or your skin actually has a reaction and you don't know why. So yeah, number one, stop using cotton pads. And a lot of cotton pads have added fertilizers or bleaches or like shit, and they could leave these residues on your skin. Instead, lately, I've been cleansing my skin to the point where there's no excess anything like dirt or makeup that has to be cleaned off. And I just take my toner and put it onto my hand and just pat it into my face. So I'm getting the full benefits of the product without any extra shit, you know? And I've been trying that for like, how long? I think it's been like 2 weeks, and I already see a difference in my skin. Like my skin's getting more of the benefits from my toner now. You know when you like come home after a night out and you just want to sleep, you don't want to take off your makeup, so you just go to the bathroom, take a makeup wipe real quick, wipe it off, you done. First of all, no. Second of all, I'm guilty of that. But third of all, not anymore. If you use like micellar water on a cotton pad to take it off, no. Number two, you're gonna want to take your makeup off with an oil or a cleanser. Oh, and if you're one of those people who uses full ass towels on their face, you like take your makeup off with a towel, I'm actually scared of you. Like genuinely, I'm terrified of you. So if you do that still, literally stop. Like don't be a menace for no reason. So yeah, I actually purchased a makeup oil remover and I just put that right onto my face. It literally melts all of the makeup off and then you could just wash the rest off. To get the dirt and stuff off my face, I just cleanse once, but if it's makeup and I'm cleansing it off, then I do a double cleanse just in case. And then that would be when I pat my toner in. And actually the oil takes off much more makeup than my makeup wipes have. Like when I used to use makeup wipes, I thought it was so easy, just whatever, take it off. But no, the oil actually like melts it off. I don't know how to explain it. And my skin feels so much cleaner afterwards and less irritated because wipes really irritate my skin really bad, but I would just use them anyway. You know when you're cleansing your face, you have like a patch of acne or just a pimple and if you get it in your T-zone, you're just Number 3 is do not focus on only certain areas of your skin. And I fall victim to that. And I just learned this recently, but one little change, if you just scrub the other areas of your face, will change your whole complexion. Like when I used to wash my face, I would put it all over, but I would only scrub the areas where I was, like my problem areas. I would only focus on those. Even when I toned, I would only like really tone those areas or put more moisturizer there. But we need to get every part. But yeah, this actually leaves you with areas of the skin uncleansed and dirty and not shown love. And this is so like unconscious. I bet we all do it just unknowingly. But yeah, we just have to get all of the areas, all the parts of our skin. This will prevent pimples. I don't know, that's the only problem I have. Okay, babe, when is the last time you changed your pillowcase? Really? Be conscious of your environment out of your skincare routine. You're gonna wanna change your pillowcase almost every other night, or every night if you can. We don't see it, but there's so much buildup on our pillowcases from sleeping. There's like drool, there's dry skin cells, dead skin cells, products from your hair. There's literally a bunch of shit on your pillowcase. And ever since I started changing mine every other day, I've been getting less and less pimples here because I always get them here. To all my oily girls out there, do you moisturize? Please tell me you do. Number 5, always moisturize your skin even if it is oily. When your skin is hydrated and moisturized, it does the work itself. You need to trust your skin. And I could see how this myth would be a thing, but if you have oily skin and you put moisturizer on it, it will not make it more oily. And even then, you could get a non-oil based moisturizer. This isn't one of the points, but this just leads into you trusting your skin. When you give your skin all of the things that it wants, which is hydration, moisture, cleansing, it will pay you back on its own. Okay, this one I fell victim to multiple times. Don't abuse your skin with multiple active ingredients. If you put like literally a million products on your skin, it's not gonna pay off. Especially if these things that you're putting on have active ingredients in them, and some active ingredients you cannot mix, and that irritates your skin really bad. If you guys didn't know, I got a chemical burn because I was at my friend's house and I did just that. I mixed a bunch of shit together, and I guess it happened to have active ingredients in a bunch of them, and I woke up looking like that. So if you guys don't want to look like that, how about you listen to me? This is how I looked after. I also fell victim to this, but like back then. And it was because I was trying to get rid of my acne. I was trying to get rid of my pimples. So I would put the literal whole drugstore on my face. I would put everything trying to fix it, but it made it worse. So just don't abuse your skin, just trust your skin. My skin cleared after that, after I started sticking to a routine and using less products. Don't get me wrong, my routine still consists of cleansing, toner, like 2 different serums, and then a moisturizer, but you need to stick to it. Make sure they're products that do good onto your skin. Listen, if your skincare still has fragrance in it, what are you doing? Like, I thought we learned this like 2 years ago. Okay, I don't mean to be harsh, but never use skincare with fragrance. This can trigger so many sorts of reactions in your skin. Allergic reactions, eczema, acne, or it just dries it out. They're just so bad. Just do me a favor and never purchase any skincare item with fragrance. And if you have any still, why aren't they already in the garbage, babe? When is the last time you exfoliated? Or are you one of those people that's scared to exfoliate because you think it irritates your skin so much? Do not skip exfoliation, ever. Now, don't get me wrong, don't do it every day. That's so bad, don't do it every day. But you're gonna wanna exfoliate your face like twice a week. This takes off all of the dead, dry skin, circulates the blood. It has so many benefits to the skin. I just exfoliate with this little exfoliation glove when I cleanse my face. I'm scared to use some exfoliating products because I'm scared my skin's gonna get irritated, so I just gently exfoliate with that. Exfoliating also leaves your skin looking healthy and refreshed and hydrated, but it also removes the excess skin, which helps your products penetrate in the skin more and have more effect. Listen, I hate this one. I hate that this one is like a thing, but don't pop your pimples. Honestly, popping my pimples is I love it. And I hate seeing the pimples there, like it just has to be extracted, you know? But this could leave scarring. As you could see, one I popped here left a little scar. I don't know if it's gonna go away, but I knew pimple popping would leave scars, like I always knew it, but it never happened to me, and now it did, so I'm gonna stop. So instead, I just get a spot treatment, put it right on the pimple, sleep on it, and half of the time it just fully takes it away by the morning. It just dries it to the root and takes it away. And also when I pop my pimples, most of the time it just grows back. Even if I put a spot treatment on top after I popped it, it just grows back. Usually I go to the extent of putting like one of those stickers on it. But yeah, popping your pimples is so bad. You could just put a spot treatment, it could dissolve by the next day. So much easier. If you still don't have a lineup of your go-to skincare products, like if you don't have a lineup, what are you doing? You cannot not stick to a routine. When you're constantly just doing different products on your skin and don't stick to a set routine of products that you know your skin likes, then your skin's gonna react and not in a good way. If you stick to your same products that you like swear by, you should find these if you don't have them, by the way, because it took me so long. I went through so many products before I found the ones that I liked, and I would have different lineups before that of ones that like I semi-like, but now I just have a lineup of ones that I love. And I recommend that you guys do the same. You just gotta give our skin more credit, if you know what I mean. Your skin barrier has all the things that it needs to even survive. But yeah, it doesn't take much to take care of your skin. Minimal products, giving it love and time is really all you need. Let me know if you want me to do more skincare videos like this. I know you guys are obsessed with my skin for some reason, so. You guys kind of hype me up too much. I don't know, but I love it. But yeah, let me know if you want to see some more skincare videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you.